Does he like me or not? 10 signs he really doesn't. You talk to a guy, he gives you attention, he appreciates you, maybe he even flirts with you, and slowly you start thinking, maybe he likes me too. But here's the problem, a guy can give you attention, he can flirt with you, he can make you feel special, and still don't want a relationship with you. So, how do you know the difference? Look at his behavior, look at his actions, not just his words. Because people can say anything, but their repeated behavior tells you much more. In this video, I'm going to share 10 things. If he is doing any of these things repeatedly, it is a strong sign that he is not interested, and honestly, you may need to stop chasing him and walk away. Let's start with number 1. He repeatedly says, I am busy. Whenever you ask him out, he says, I was busy. You call him, he doesn't answer. Later, he says, sorry, I was busy. You message him, he doesn't reply. Again, sorry, I was busy. Once that thing happened, that's understandable. People really do get busy. But when it happens again and again and again, you need to stop listening to the excuse. Look at the pattern. Imagine this. You really like a guy and he asks you to meet him. Would you always say, sorry, I'm busy? Probably not. You would try to find a way. Maybe you can't meet him today, so you suggest tomorrow. Maybe you can't talk for an hour, so you talk for 10 minutes at least, or even 5 minutes. When someone really wants to see you, they usually find some way to make space for you. So don't focus on the excuse, focus on the effort. Number 2, he gives you mixed signals. One day he acts completely interested, he texts you, he flirts with you, he gives you attention. You think finally he likes me, and suddenly nothing. He becomes cold, he disappears, he acts like you don't exist, and then after a few days he comes back again, more flirting, more attention, and you start hoping again. This cycle can be very confusing. But here's something important, confusion is information too. If his words say one thing, but his actions, his behavior say another, watch the actions. He might say, I really like you, but does he make plans? Does he show up? Does he communicate consistently? Does he make an effort? Because saying I like you is easy. Showing it through repeated behavior or action is different. Don't judge him by his best day. Don't judge him by his words. Judge the pattern. And if the pattern keeps making you confused, that itself is a warning sign. Number 3, he never answers your calls or messages. I know this one hurts, especially when you really like him. You send him a message, you wait, nothing. You call him, no answer. You send another message, still nothing. Maybe he even sees your message and doesn't respond. And this is a choice he make. And then you start asking yourself, what did I do wrong? But sometimes you did nothing wrong. His behavior is simply giving you an answer. If he repeatedly ignores your calls, ignores your messages, ghosts you and barely acknowledges your presence, he is showing you that you are not a priority to him. And this is where many people get stuck. They start chasing harder, more messages, more calls, more explanations, more attempts to get his attention. But think about this. If someone is walking away from you, why are you running after him? You cannot force someone to like you. You cannot convince someone to choose you. And you definitely should not have to beg for basic attention. There are so many amazing people you could meet, but you stay emotionally stuck on someone who keeps ignoring you, you may miss the people who actually wants to be there. So if he repeatedly ignores you, believe the behavior, believe the action. And now let's move to number 4. His replies are short and always late. You send him a thoughtful message. His reply, okay. You continue the conversation. And his reply, You ask him something. And his reply, yeah. That's it. And sometimes you don't even get those 3 letters. You get a reply 2 days later, a week later. Now, of course, one reply doesn't mean anything. People have work, people sleep, people have problems. But when almost every conversation feels like you are pulling the worst out of him, pay attention. Because conversations need 2 people. If you are always asking questions, always starting conversations, always keeping the conversations alive, and he gives you almost nothing back, that's a pattern. You shouldn't have to perform one person's show just to keep his attention, and ask yourself, does he ever try to keep the conversation going? Does he ask about you? Does he remember what you told him? Does he start conversation? Or are you doing all the work? Because interest usually creates effort, and lack of effort, lack of interest often create distance. Number 5, he only talks to you when he wants something. This guy may disappear for days, then suddenly, hey, what are you doing? How are you? You get excited. You think maybe he finally misses me. But then you realize he wants a favor. He needs help. He wants attention. Or he simply wants something from you. And once he gets it, he disappears again. Notice the pattern. He doesn't come closer because he likes you. He comes closer because he wants something. A healthy connection should not feel like a transaction. You should not feel valuable only when you are useful. So ask yourself, does he talk to me when he needs nothing? If the answer is no, that's a big clue. Number 6, he never makes real plans with you. He might say, we should hang out sometime, but when you ask when, suddenly nothing, no date, no time, no place, just we'll see. Then another week passes and nothing happens. This is important because there's a big difference between talking about doing something and actually doing it. Anyone can say let's meet soon. We will catch up soon, but someone who wants to see you will usually try to make it happen. Maybe the plane changes, maybe the date gets moved. That's normal, but there should be some effort. If months go by and you are still waiting for that someday, stop waiting. Number 7, he flirts with you but never takes it further. This one can be extremely confusing. He compliments your appearance, he sends flirty messages, he calls you cute, he calls you beautiful. Maybe he even makes you feel like you are the only girl in the world. So naturally, you think he wants something more. But when you try to move the relationship forward, he pulls away. He doesn't want to define anything. He doesn't make plans. He doesn't talk about the future. He just keeps the flirting going. Why? Because attention feels good, flirting feels good, but that doesn't automatically mean he wants a relationship. Now let's move to number 8. He treats you differently when other people are around. When you are alone, he is warm, he talks to you, he jokes with you, he flirts with you, he gives you attention. But when his friends arrive, everything changes. Suddenly, he barely talks to you, he acts distant, he doesn't want anyone to know about you, and you start wondering why he is acting like I'm a stranger. Pay attention to this. People often behave differently depending on the situation. You deserve someone who is comfortable being seen with you, not someone who acts interested only when nobody is watching. Number 9, you are always the one cheesing him. Think about the last few weeks. Who started most of the conversation? You? Who called first? Who texted first? Who suggested the meeting? Who kept the conversation alive? Again, you. If you stop messaging him, does everything suddenly become silent? If yes, you already have important information. Because relationship need some level of mutual effort. His action keep making you feel unwanted. This is the biggest one. Forget one message, forget one missed call, forget one cancelled plan. Look at the entire pattern. How do you feel after dealing with him? Do you feel secure or confused? Do you feel wanted or ignored? Do you feel respected or like you are constantly trying to prove your worth? If someone repeatedly makes you feel unwanted, don't spend all your energy trying to understand them. Look at what their behavior is doing to you. You deserve a relationship where you don't have to constantly ask, does he like me? Because his behavior will make it clear. Now, does he like you or not? I hope you get the answer. Don't try to read his mind, watch his behavior.